Hello campaigns! This is Mami Rowena once again, and today is January 13, Friday the 13th, and masaya ako kasi ngayon nakaschedule yung PTC ng aking mga kids. Sa Barcelona Academy, may designated time slot kami. So, we only have 5 minutes para makausap, mapakinggan. Magkakaroon pa kasi ng parang reading of grades. Kasi dito lang namin nakikita kung ano yung grades ng mga kids namin. So, excited ako kasi once in a quarter, it happens, dapat present tayo. So, ngayon, kita nyo sa screen ko, the meeting host will let you in soon. So, this is from...
Recording in progress.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon po. Ayan po. Hello po. Welcome po sa ating second PTC, Mami. Ayan po. Tulog po si Riona.
Opo, andun siya sa likod ko.
Riona. Ayan po, Mami. Inform ko po kayo na i-off on ko po yung aking camera. Kasi po nag-glitch po ako para po kung GIF.
Ayan, pero ang ganda ng dating mo, teacher.
Ay, magandang bumerang.
Ang kinis ng face mo, teacher. Ang kinis.
Ay, talaga po, thank you po. Wala po akong ginagamit.
Talaga?
Natural po yan.
Sana all.
Sige po, Mami. Ayun na, wala tuloy ako. First screen ko na po yung kanyang e-card. Alright po, Mami. Ito po ang kanyang grade. Mami, in Mother Tongue, Filipino, English, Math, Science, AP, CLE, MAPE, Music, Art, PE, and Health, isang number lang po yung nakikita. And that is 98. Wow! And for her character development naman po, she got A for love, integrity, A+, fellowship, A, and for excellence, she got A+. It means Riona is very good and excellent in our class, and indeed, Mami, she is very good. Yay! Congratulations. Ayan. Mami, do you have any concerns po or questions?
Wala naman po, teacher.
Thank you so much po, Mami. Si Riona po very active in class.
Opo.
Lagi po siya participate.
Though, one teacher may pagkabulol nga lang. So, pag misis ko, lagi kong pinipray. Sana maintindihan ni teacher yung sinasabi.
Hindi naman po, Mami. Ayun po, Mami, thank you so much po. Dagdag ko na din po. Maganda niyo po.
Bumawi si teacher.
Maganda, Mami.
Yes. Teacher, may request ako sa inyo. May request ako sa inyo.
Ano po?
I-accept nyo na yung friend request ko. Ang tagal na yun.
Hindi po. Sorry po, hindi ko po kasi kapag nagpa-friend request po, hindi ko po tinitingnan masyado. Mga nasa 600 na nga po yung friend request po. Famous po. Sige po, check ko po. Hanapin ko po mamaya.
Thank you,
sige
teacher.
Sige po. One more thing po. Pwede po tayo mag-zoomy.
Yes,
ayan,
teacher.
Picture po tayo. Wait lang po. Alright. In 1, 2, 3, smile. Wonderful. Thank you so much po, Mami.
Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye po. God bless.
Po.
At yun nga po, guys. Nabigla ako kasi biglang nag-open na yung Zoom. So, na-meet ko na yung advisor ni Riona. And mamaya, ayun nga, nakita ninyo, di ba? So, lahat ng grades ni Riona for this second quarter is na. So, sana pagpatuloy mo pa ang pag-aaral. Huwag magsawang mag-aral. Huwag magsawang umattend sa online class. Huwag mag-movie. Just enjoy being with your teachers and with your classmates. Kahit sa Zoom lang tayo, I hope you feel na you are in a classroom. Congratulations, Ona!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to sir!
Alright, Mami. Thank you for attending our second parent-teacher conference. Again, I would like to commend your daughter for being excellent this second quarter. I guess most of her grades increased.
Wow.
Kaya meron lang isang retain. Meron lang isang retain. And most of her grades increased. Alright, congratulations and keep up the good work. Baka this third quarter or fourth quarter, lahat na ng grades mo, 100 na. Alright. Okay, Mami, let me share your daughter's report card. Okay, let me share my screen po.
Sige po, sir.
Alright, nakikita nyo na po ba, Mami?
Yes, sir.
Right. Ito ang sinasabi kong retain lang. Filipino, 98. Wow. That is an excellent grade. English from 96 to 97 in quiz. Mathematics from 95 to 98 in quiz. Science from 96 to 98 in quiz. AP, 97 to 98 in quiz. 96 to 98 in quiz. 96 to 97 in quiz. And MAPE retain. And of course, again, your daughter is one of our top academics.
Thank you po.
Yay.
Ay, salamat ka sa iyo na, your family. Yan. Dahil sa suporta at pagmamahal, sakripisyo na binibigay nila sa iyo. And of course, nakuha mo ito grade 9 ito. And once again, remember, meron pa tayong third and fourth quarter. Be consistent. Alright, I believe gagalingan mo pa this third quarter and fourth quarter. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, baka mamaya tigo 100 na yung nakasulat siya. Alright. Okay, right side po, Mami, nakikita nyo po dito ang character development. Although online po yung ginagawa po naming klase, alright, na nakakuha pa rin si Rian ng 3 A at saka A+. Ibig sabihin po noon, very good siya sa love, integrity, and fellowship. And of course, nakakuha siya ng A+. Okay, excellence po siya. Excellent po ang kanyang excellence because, okay, she is excellent in submitting her classworks on time. Always commenting on our tawag ba sa PAL room. Okay, na pag may pinost na si Teacher Daniel as Teacher Joma, andun. Noted po, sir. Thank you. Very updated sa mga happenings, kung anong nangyayari doon sa klase namin at the same time, kung ano yung mga magiging activities namin. Ayan, excellent siya sa mga ganung bagay and I really appreciate it and I really admire her. And sa class setting naman, alright, very active. She actively participates in class discussion, sharing ideas, helping others, and so on and so forth. Ipagpatuloy mo yan. Alright. And that's all, Mami, yung overall performance ni Rian for second quarter. Any more questions, Mami?
Sir, yun po, na-overwhelm ako sa narinig ko. May tanong ako, sir, kailan yung sports fest?
Okay, sports fest.
Gusto sana namin makapunta dyan, sir.
I'm not yet so sure, Mami. Details will be posted sa Palro, Mami. Kung magkakaroon din ba sila ng games, o kung magkakaroon sila ng games online, mga chess or mga electronic games.
Okay. Kung sana, sir, we're planning na kung magkaroon ng chance at ma-drive sila ng daddy nila, makapunta sila dyan sa Barcelona for the sports fest.
Okay, ganito po, Mami, for our sports fest, yung yung mga games po namin, ginagawa namin every Saturday para kapag, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, January 30, February 1, but something like that po, magkakaroon po ng grand opening, okay, for our sports fest.
Saturday yan, sir? Saturday? Saturday yan, sir?
Okay, details will be given po, Mami. Okay, ipopost na lang po. Don't you worry, malalaman po yan ni Rian kasi active siya po sa aming
Opo. Sir, tsaka excited siya to meet her classmates sana. Sana at the end of the school year. Opo, at the end of the school year din, sir, ma-organize nyo sila.
Yes po, Mami. Alright. Okay, let us know lang po, Mami. Let us know po, Mami, para makapag-prepare naman po kami. Alright? Meron pa ba kayong katanungan, Mami?
Wala na, sir. Pa-accept na lang ako sa Facebook.
Okay, if that will be the case, Mami, pwede bang makakuha ng isang picture?
Sige po.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Show me your sweetest smile. Alright, Mami, thank you for your time. See you next PTC. Mag-iingat po kayo. God bless po.
Thank you po, sir. God bless po. Bye-bye.
See you next week, Rian.
Bye-bye po. See you next week po.
Time check, it's almost 4:20 and it's my grade 9 science lab for PTC. So we're waiting for the Zoom meeting. We're waiting for Sir Andrew. How do you feel right now, Rainas, at grade 9? Why? Ba't ka kinakabahan? How do you feel right now?
Nervous, I think.
You're nervous. Why nga? Oh. Everyone gets nervous naman every time it's a time for PTC and that's normal. Okay, so let's find out kung ano ang magiging standing ni Reina for quarter 2. Hopefully, positive.
Dapat 95.
Okay.
Ayun, thank you so much po for your patience. Pasensya na, nahirapan po akong kumonect. Ako pa naman din yung host ng meeting. Hinihirap maging stable ng connection ko. Thank you po for your patience. And this afternoon, second parent-teacher conference po natin. Pero yung objective, same pa rin. I'll be sharing with you yung kopya ng report card ni Ina. On your end, pwede po ninyong i-screenshot yon. Habang pinag-uusapan natin yung kanyang naging academic performance for the second quarter. Excited ka ba, Ina?
Yes,
Kabado siya, sir.
Kabado. Yan na. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yan na. Masaya po akong ipakita sa inyo na kumpleto yung set of grades ni Ina para sa second quarter. Nandiyan na yung grade niya sa Filipino. May grade na rin po siya sa English. 3 points ang naging increase noon. Mayroon na rin siyang grade sa math. Nag-increase din po yung grade niya sa science ng 1 punto. 97. Aba, napataas pa naging 98. Couple of points naman ang itinaas para sa economics. 93, naging 95 this quarter. Na-sustain po niya yung dati niyang mahusay nang naipakita ng first quarter para sa CLE and TLE, including MAPE actually, kasi na-retain niya yung mga quarterly grade na 98 for those subjects. Nabanggit ko po last time na yung elective and leap ay hindi pa available, pero ngayon, nakuha ko na po yung kanyang grade. 98 na parehas for the first 2 quarters para sa elective. And then, yung leap naman niya, consistent din kasi parehas na A yung kanyang quarterly grade for those for that area. A is equivalent to 90 to 94 para po sa leap. Papansin natin na lahat halos ng subjects na kung hindi na-rating ay tumaas pa. Bukod nga lang sa Filipino na bumaba ng 1 punto and sa math na bumaba rin ng 1 punto. Although 96 kasi parehas pa rin qualified yan sa tinatawag na ating subject proficiency award. But knowing Ina na sigurado magiging target niya next quarter, patataasin niya ulit yung mga subject niya next quarter. Pero overall, kailangan kita lakpakan. Slow claps for you, Ina. Slow claps para sa iyo. Dahil mahusay na pinakita para sa second quarter. Sana may patuloy yan para sa third quarter. And dahil nga sa kompletong set of grades para sa mga subjects mo, academic subjects specifically, na-compute ko na of course ang iyong general weighted average for this quarter.
Naka-ready na si sir.
Happy to tell you, ready na ako. Nakalagay na po dito sa aking scene. Yung average ni Ina, qualified sa ating pinakamataas na parangal para sa ating academics. Next week, ang ating magiging awarding and I expect ito dito, Ina, dapat ano pa sa meeting natin para makita mo yung certificate. Alright, congratulations again.
Thank you, sir.
Napakahusay at talaga naman pong achiever itong si Ina. Nakikita ko po yung mga pinupost ninyo dun sa inyong Facebook group. Bukod sa nag-excel sa ibang area, talagang consistent din sa academics. Napakahirap na bagay gawin yun. And napakasaya ko po kasi nakikita ko na sobrang involved kayo as a parent sa mga na-achieve ni Ina. Congratulations po to both of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.
Nakuhanan po ba ng screenshot?
Yes, sir. Meron na po.
Kung okay lang po ay ako naman ang magpapapicture. Tingin tayo sa camera. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Thank you. Congratulations again.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye po. God bless.
Congrats.
Ayan. At nalaman na nga natin ng kompleto kung ano ang mga naging grades ng SCAD Sisters for quarter 2. Malamang hindi na naman uuwi si Daddy sa weekends kasi tapos siyang manglibre.
Ay!
Ganun po ito. So, isa yan sa mga iniiwasan ni Raul sa pag-uwi sa weekends kasi for sure, magpapalibre na naman ang SMAs niya sa kanya. And, yun lang po. Yun lang po muna. Yan muna. Campmates. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Hello. Welcome to our vlog. Today is January 20, 2023, 3 p.m. is the day of the awarding. Until now, brown out pa rin sa amin. So, we're just using power banks for yun, nakasaksak siya dun sa router namin. And yung laptops namin, we made sure last night na full bat siya. Including our cell phones. So, andito ang grade 9 ko. She's using her cell phone muna. As in, madilim sa bahay kasi walang...
Itas natin ating kamay.
Here's my grade 7. Start na yung ceremony nila.
Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilan.
Going back to my grade 1. Sa BACFAO Homeschool, ang ginagawa nila is ganito. Pag this week, reading of cards, the following week, siya na yung awarding. So, nakaka-excite yung mga chance na ganito though online lang kami, we really feel na talagang we are in school. They get awarded. So, ang sarap sa pakiramdam yung mga accomplishment na ganito. Actually, tinry namin i-open yung generator. Unfortunately, na-drain pala yung gas niya. So, poor. Okay. Ay, siguro naman naabot yung battery namin. Okay, mabilis na talaga. Eh, di cellphone ang gamitin mo.
Fill the hearts of your people, and kindle in them the fire of your love. Send forth your spirit, and they shall be created, and they shall renew the face of the earth. To God be the glory forever and ever. Amen. In the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Filipino, English, Mathematics, Science, Araling Panlipunan, Edukasyon sa Pagpapakatao, TLE, and MAPE.
I welcome in our second quarter presentation of awards. Congratulations also to Riona C. Escat, Top Academic, Subject Proficiency in Mother Tongue, Filipino, English, Mathematics, Science, Araling Panlipunan, Edukasyon sa Pagpapakatao, and MAPE. Congratulations once again, and let's proceed to Eloge, Hazel, and Giron, Top Academic.
Everyone! Congratulations!
Kayo ay natuto at pinagbutihan nyo ang ating pag-aaral.
Tara mga campmates, tanungin natin si Riona, ano yung naging sekreto niya? Bakit patataas yung grades niya? Riona, di ba tataas yung mga grades mo?
Yes!
Anong ginawa mo? Bakit matataas yung grades mo?
Kasi I'm right in the Google Classroom. Parang 10 over 10.
Wow! Do you always recite?
Yes!
Do you always do your assignment?
Yes.
What other things do you do? Why your
I'm
grades are...
playing and scootering.
Oh, scootering right after class. So those serves as your motivation.
Isang teacher lang meet hindi si Teacher Ren? Or
Yeah, Teacher Ren is there but she's off cam.
Bakit?
Okay, what can you advise to those students na hindi matataas ang grade? What will you tell them?
It's okay.
Wow, it's okay to have no
Alright,
grade, but it's better if you can have
Now, my
high
dear
grades,
grade
right?
1,
Thank you,
everybody,
Rihanna. What's up, campmates? Ang aking pinakahihintay, alam niyo ba, pinatapos ko pa ang kanyang award ceremony, but hindi kanya ulit. Tapos nagmerienda pa siya. Let's give me a message. Pero hindi niya alam kung ano yun. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Rian Escat.
Hello.
Okay.
Can I start? Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Rian Escat and I am the daughter of Mami Rowena, who is also the admin of our group page, Camp Escat. And I am also a group admin and group expert and moderator. So I just want to tell what happened a while ago while there is power interruption here at Tarlac. Yeah, kapag ano yun?
Hindi, wait lang. This is my question. Gusto nilang malaman, ano ba yung technique na ginagawa mo? Can you give them a simple tip kung ano yung sekreto mo, ano yung tip mo, ano yung strategy mo na ginagawa sa pag-aaral?
Okay, so my tips of my schooling and of my last schooling is you have to advance. Yeah, first is advance kasi for example, ayun yung online class, tatanungin ka kung what is all that topic about. For example,
English ready ka?
English. Yes, for example, ang in-advance mong topic in English is analogies, and then the English teacher or the teacher will ask you what is all about analogies.
Meron ka ng background.
Yeah, synonym, antonym, it's like the opposite and the same, and meron ding category or classification, and meron ding user object, etc. And then also another tip ko pa for schooling is mag-read, and pwede ding mag-recite sa online class, kasi hindi mo alam na nilalagyan na pala ni teacher yung mga points sa what they call that, the card, the class record.
Kasi alam niyo yan, yung mga teachers na yan, me as a former high school teacher, no, hawak-hawak namin ang class record. Ewan ko lang kasi during our time, no, talagang a teacher without class record is not a teacher. Ngayon kasi medyo technology na, siguro ang class record ni teacher, hindi man yan yung parang librong nahahawakan, pero malamang nasa laptop niya or nasa tablet niya. So isang click lang niya, pwede niya ipasok yung score. And yun nga, aside from getting high score, I always advise them na aanhin mo ang magandang grade kung ang values mababa.
Yeah.
Diba? Aanhin mo ang magandang grade.
Important din yung mga values, kasi minamark din yan, pati yung mga parang like
siya. Integrated na yan sa school. What am I pointing here is yung values. Yung ugali mo as a whole, as a person, kahit wala ka sa school. Yun. Na, syempre, aanhin mo yung magandang grade kung wala ka namang respeto sa magulang mo.
And I also want to tell that the one thing that my advisor, what do you call this? My advisor, parang sinasabi sa akin lagi is, I'm always commenting in the Google Classroom. Do you know that? Kasi yung Google Classroom, nangyari yan nung pandemic.
Yes. And yun, we appreciate kasi dun nga lang tayo nakakapag-exchange na ng messages, kasi hindi naman online kayo 24 hours. So, through Google Classroom, makita na may teacher na comment ka, parang kausap mo na rin si teacher. Okay. So much for that tip. Thank you very much, Rian Esca. Congratulations to the awarding ceremony today. And I just want to comment yung ganda ng, you look beautiful now in the video.
Parang ako may lipstick.
Parang may lipstick. Diba?
Wala naman ako.
Keep it up. Yun lang, wag lang maging harsh sa pagtututbrush para hindi makisa ng brace. Alam mo ba na ngayon na nakisa siya ng brace kasi nandito sa lower left. Naalis yung dulo. So by tomorrow, may appointment na naman kami kay Doc Panela. Kasi
okay, wait. I just want to tell my classmates, congratulations. You keep up the good work, and we did second quarter already. Congrats everyone. And then nung first quarter, meron nagawa na natin first quarter and second quarter, and now 50%. Third quarter. So malapit na din yung fourth quarter, kaya galingan natin this quarter and the last and final quarter. Congrats everyone. Sana top academic tayo lahat. Sana may possible na ganun.
Okay. Congratulations.
Hi!
Ayan. As promised, 5 p.m. may kuryente na. Pero until now, busy pa yung grade 9 ko. Siya na lang yung hindi ko pa na-i-interview. Kasi meron Sir Leo. Hi! Okay, there she is, Reina Esca. Wait lang, hindi ka pa kasi na-interview eh. This is a question, a similar question with your sisters. Yun nga, can you give us a simple tip on how to get high grades?
Like what I did the first and second quarter?
Yes, hindi, kahit ito na lang.
Kasi ginawa ko. Sige, so first, of course, I do note taking while Zoom, and also screenshots para like after class, whenever like there are lessons, topics, kasi sila din sending agad the PowerPoints eh. So, bakit? Ano meron?
Okay, so
yung screenshots after Zoom, I am writing those words in a PowerPoint, but not everything, just the key terms, the important words. And what do I do? Ayun, I do advanced reading. Pero not all of the subject teachers, like, they're not all posting the learning packets every week. Ilan lang sa kanila. So, ginagawa ko, sometimes, nakakalimutan ko, ask them, anong lesson next meeting, ganon.
So just asking them during the Zoom.
Sometimes, na-idea nila. Pero, ano pang ginagawa ko? Yes, ito, I wake up very early. So, recently, like earlier in the morning in the past few days, I've been waking up at 5 a.m. kasi nag-start na ako mag-review eh. That's every time there will be an exam, I always wake up at 5 a.m. or sometimes 4 a.m. minsan kapag yung periodic test kasi maraming i-review. Ano pa ginagawa ko? Note-taking, advanced readings, tapos waking up early, what else? Wala na. Alright, that's it for today. Bye! Mami, mapasa ka!
Okay, thank you.
Bukas, papasa ko.
Hello. This is Mami Rowena.
Ine!
Sabi nila, sipag mo naman magturo sa mga anak mo. Actually, I don't teach them na, except for Riona, yung grade 1. Kasi yung grade 7 ko,
Every phrase nagkakain!
si Riam, grade 7, saka si Ina, grade 9, they're both independent learners. Now, so what I do is to guide them, especially sa mga schedules nila, and to monitor. It's not enough that they have the schedule. Mino-monitor ko din yan. Pag online class, ang namomonitor ko na lang talaga 100% is Riona. But for the two, sila na. Ngayon, ang isang technique na ginagawa ko, each one of them has the bell. Now, whenever they recite, they have to ring the bell. Pag hindi na nagli-ring yan, in 1 hour, the first hour of their online class, pupuntahan ko na yung mga yan. Sabi ko, hindi ata kayo nagpa-participate. Narinig nyo sila, nagpa-participate daw, nag-chat. Sabi ko, yeah, sige, sige, chat. Pero, it would be more appreciated pag verbal.
Verbal.
Di sige, di verbal. Minsan, tinatamad silang mag-ring ng bell.
Ay, nakakalimutan ko minsan. Lalo na ang subject yun yung sa math. Sa math, nakakalimutan ko mag-ring.
There's the point na, tinitret ko sila. Nanay sabi ko sa kanya, pag hindi ko naririnig yung bell na yan, mag-log out na kayo sa Zoom. Yeah. Kasi online class na nga kayo, tapos hindi pa kayo makikipag-participate. Diba? Kasi mahalaga talaga nakikipag-participate sa class. Hindi pwedeng all throughout the 1 hour session, si teacher yung magsasalita. Mawawalan na boses si teacher. Mawawalan sila ng teacher. At mas magiging enthusiastic si teacher pag nakikita niya na very active sa participation ng mga students. Okay. So yun. That's one of the strategies. Abang kayo sa mga iba pang strategies. Bye, kain muna ako.